Hello my dearest WP Globers, it's so nice to see you on our YouTube channel. In today's video we are gonna discuss how to create an anchor link or text via Elementor. I will show you two methods how to especially create an anchor link or text on one page when clicking on a certain link button and it will scroll us to an appropriate box, and also how to click and move to another page and scroll to an appropriate point. So if you're ready, we can start. Let's start with the first option. To save the time, I've already created two templates. Firstly, click on Edit with the Elementor link and we will move to the Elementor dashboard. Here we are scrolling to our proper point. Let's put in the About Us box. On the Learn More, we have to put what we can put. Let's move here. For example, it can be footer About Us. Here the writing style is $sign and our preferable name. For instance, we can write $sign footer box. So we put it in this way, and when clicking on it, we will move into this box. For this box, here we need to do right click, edit the footer, and go to Advanced. Here you will see the CSS ID, where you have to write the same text as we have already put there, which is a footer box, like this. Now update and move to the page. So here we, in the About Us Learn More, in the bottom of the left corner, we will see a $sign footer box after the link. When we click on this, we will already move into this box. Now let's try if we have done everything in the right way. Okay, this already rises to the top, what means that it automatically scrolls like this. Now if I write the same here, footer box, and when I do enter, I will immediately move to this page. Now let's try the second option. When there will be a certain link, we will click on it and move to another page at an appropriate point. For example, come here, open it, and you will see the link tab. We have to take the second link, copy it, put here, attach $sign from the end, and also put our ID here. In this case, it will be like this. Let's copy it, and now we can move to the second page. Click here to edit Elementor, and already we on this box we will put a proper ID, and it must be only one for each page and cannot be repeated. Already we will scroll here, do right click, advance, and we will put our ID here like this without any odd symbols. Here we will not put a $sign. After this, click on the update here. We will do the same here as well, clicking on update. Now when we click on this name, we will move into this box on the second page. Let's check and update. Here we will scroll, and here you will see the pointer showing that there is a link, and from the end of the link, written text has been already attached. When we click, we will move into another post, and it will automatically be scrolled to our anchor, which we have already put on the appropriate box. So this is all what I wanted to show you about the creation of an anchor link or text via Elementor. If you are very interested in WordPress, hurry up and subscribe to our WP Globe YouTube channel not to miss the best WordPress tutorials. Thank you!